Morning, everybody. How are you doing?
Good morning.
Well, Kim and I are heading off to the garage sales. You ready to go?
Yep.
All right, I got my phone out. I've got my yard sale treasure map out. We're getting ready to go find some garage sales. So they got a few of them listed, so we're gonna go see what's up. And we'll go start with this one right here. It says multifamily garage sale, no junk.
No junk.
That's what it says.
That's no fun.
Multifamily garage sale, no junk. But we'll see what they got over there.
Just a little background. I was a nurse and I worked with the mentally challenged in the community. I guess you'd say community nursing. And then my last 9 years was a school nurse for elementary kids. And I loved both jobs with all my heart. And my mom got sick. She actually got lung cancer. And my dad had had a stroke a few years prior. So needless to say, it was very challenging trying to help care for my parents and, you know, help with appointments and everything. And even though I loved my job, it took a lot of time and toll on emotions. So I approached Roy and I said, you know, I think I'm going to have to retire early. But like most people, you need a 2-income family.
Right.
And Roy was a correction officer. And in Texas, they don't make that great money. So raising 4 children, we had to have 2 jobs. So he said, you know, give me a few months and we can look what we have at the house and we'll try to post some and maybe we can open an eBay business. And in my mind, I was thinking there's no way that's going to supplement my nursing. But, you know, sometimes you have to step out in faith. And I believe the Lord was guiding us because He knew my parents needed help. He knew our needs financially. So we posted a few things on eBay and they began to sell. And we came up with the name R&K for Roy and Kim. And even while I was working, I became the packing and shipping person. And Roy would come home from work after working 16-hour days and post on eBay. And we worked really hard and to get this up and running. And before we knew it, we had a full-time business. And I was able to retire early, take care of my parents when they needed me. And it was really a blessing. So that's our background as far as why we do what we do. And then when we really retired and came down here, because it's very low cost living to live down here in South Texas, and you learn to live more simply. You don't need that big house and fancy cars anymore. You just need to enjoy life. And we didn't do it for about 2 years, or it lay dormant, I should say. And then one day Roy was like, you know, I think I want to start it back up again, and it would help supplement a small retirement check for sure. We're both not so security age yet. I'm closer than he is. And so it's been really good. So we're out here having fun, and also it's to earn extra money. And so if you ever are thinking about letting go of that job, of course it's not easy, but if time comes that you find yourself that you have to, I hope you'll give this a try. It takes work. It's not, you know, it's not just a little job. Roy puts a lot of hours into it, and but we enjoy it. So anyway, I just wanted to share our little background story for you guys. And I think we're coming up on a yard sale, aren't we? Is this the multi-family one?
I think this is the one that said no junk.
Oh.
But I can't promise anything.
I like junk.
Yeah, but I can't promise anything.
One man's junk is another one's treasure.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you guys?
How much is the igloo cooler?
$3.
$3. think I'll take that. $3.
Yes, I don't know about the rest of the day.
I know, that's always iffy, isn't it?
Yes. But we had a breeze yesterday.
Right.
Yes, it was nice.
That's true.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Those are $1 a bag.
Okay.
There's a lot of ornaments.
Yes. No.
And I have a small tree there.
I saw the small tree.
Yeah.
Sometimes that's the best tree. My igloo cooler, $3. I didn't even haggle on the price. I thought that was pretty good. She might have taken $2 for it, but $3 was good.
How are you today?
Doing good. Welcome.
Thank
Okay.
you. Good morning. Morning. I saw this from the street. I was like, it's different.
Yeah, I saw that. The old tricycle.
Gosh, he would be in heaven. The trike?
The trike, that's my baby.
My dad.
I was gonna restore it.
Well, let me tell you, my dad, they live down the street from his mobile home park, and he had a stroke, so he is in a wheelchair, and he has slowly decorated with old bikes. He's got like 3 or 4, but he doesn't have a tricycle. He would be out of this world.
Whatever.
Oh no, I don't want to tell you a sob story. I just think how special it, because it's your baby, it would go
I just don't
very
want it.
well loved.
Really?
Yes, just one day, you're right.
Okay.
When you're green. You tell me.
That's the
Oh,
Bible.
I like this one.
But
Look.
look,
A youth. You know, I
A
made a mistake
youth one?
of buying it to my kids,
Yes.
and apparently that was too childish.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's a good Bible.
Oh
That
yeah.
was just a
It's-
joke.
how much you want for the Bible and the books and stuff?
In the journal,
Yeah. So she'd do the journals. I would keep the Bible.
$5
Yeah.
for both.
I like this one. Wow.
This one, a missionary, got it
Oh,
for us
really?
from Chile. I felt like
Thank you. That's wonderful. It was
How much you want
nice
for the tennis
meeting you guys.
Okay.
Thank you. I like this store.
Okay.
I love the
$6 for the books and this.
you got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Nice
you.
meeting
God
you all.
bless
All right. Thank you.
I wanted a stool to sit by the counter.
Mhm.
Sometimes, I just want something on the counter for the kitchen. And I love this. This is so much fun. That was fun. My dad collects old bikes, and everybody gave him a hard time because but they're really cute in the yard now, the way that he has them fixed with flowers and everything. So we found an old trike, and we're always giving him a hard time, and here we go, buy him an old trike.
Yeah.
He'll be happy. It's really pretty today.
It is pretty. It's a nice day.
Hot.
It's a nice day. Okay, garage sale number 3. Not finding much. I got rid of my husband because the cat was allergic.
That's cute. Let's see how much. You think?
That's up to you.
No, I mean, do you think it would?
Probably be kind of heavy for the shipping for the cost type of
You
thing.
know they're gonna say, you didn't buy that?
Yeah.
I drank too much coffee this morning.
Yeah.
Kind of talking a lot.
No, you're all right. Tiny small garage sale number 4.
We have one for sale. 2 of them for sale.
2 of them. Oh. How much you asking?
$3.
$3.
I like that. How much for the ceramic? 3? Take 3 for both since there's only a little bit on there? All right, I'll get those too.
Take everything. We're trying to get rid of everything today.
Yeah.
Honey, this is a Thomas Kincaid. What are you asking for the Thomas Kincaid?
$1.
$1? Okay. Okay.
Okay. Don't drop it, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, how much for
$3, 6, $7.
$7? All right.
Now repeat it in Spanish.
Ah, yes.
Siete.
There you go.
Siete.
Oh, I got it. He's usually better at the...
That's the only way you learn.
All right,
That's
thank
right.
you.
By
How do you-
repeating.
How do you say have a great day?
Tenga un día bueno. Tenga un día bueno.
Un día bueno. Un feliz día.
Un feliz día or
Good day.
Feliz
día.
Día.
Feliz dia.
Día.
Shorten it to feliz día.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
Buenos días, pásale.
Feliz dia.
Here we go again.
So, nothing that's really big money maker. I don't think the Thomas Kincaid.
Well, it's Thomas Kincaid. We'll get something for it. We only paid, what, $1 for it?
Yeah.
So, that, I don't know, even if we can get $10 plus the shipping,
Yeah.
that'll, that's at least something.
Bueno, señora, ahí la dejo, que pasen bonito día. Ay, la bolsa de lotería.
When you push it, it probably needs batteries.
I don't know, could be.
Oye, Renata y esta niña Dani, porque yo no soy partidaria de la lotería. A mí se me pasa porque yo nunca en mi vida
How much you want?
me he llamado la atención. Ahora ellas me están enseñando a que
How much for the little? Five. I don't have any more little ones. I think it's cute.
los aretes y los llaveros 2x2. ¿Vale? Los aretes.
What would you ask him for this?
25. This is new one. The regular price in Walmart is $50.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bill number 7. We're not really finding anything.
Treasure pet.
Put some boots.
Yeah, then he's cute.
Is it Disney? Or?
But it's really good shape. Oh, look, honey, here's a collector's choice.
Yeah. Well, here, you can see how much. Oh, that's a character too. That's
Oh, yeah.
here's Pooh. Oh, that's cool. Oh, is this another one? Lilo and Stitch. Lilo and Stitch.
for this.
How much?
$1.
Okay. So we got
What do you think?
2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know where this garage sale's at. You know, if you're
These
gonna
are
have,
like mansions.
yeah, if you're gonna have a garage sale, at least have a sign pointing to where your garage sale's at.
These are some big houses.
Hint to anybody having a garage sale: put signs where your garage sale's at.
Well,
Oh, it's pointing this way.
oh, to the left.
224. Okay, so it's this way. All right. Second
Say,
reminder.
I'm sorry, people.
I'm not sorry, people. Second reminder: if you're gonna have a garage sale,
Make it
Make it
bigger, and letters for Roy
bigger,
Thompson.
bigger,
He can't see
bigger,
arrows.
clearer, and with a big giant arrow, not a little tiny thin pencil line arrow.
And make it say Roy Thompson this way.
And if all you're selling is clothes, then don't call it a garage sale. All right, garage sale number 8 or 9. I've lost track. That's a whole set of dishes right there. How much? Starbucks, Orange County. That's a good price. I'll get something for it. You want an old desk?
That's cute.
Where are you gonna put it?
I have no idea.
You have no idea, but you like the old desk. You wouldn't even. You can't even sit at it.
I don't know.
And then what are you gonna do? How much one for the?
50 cents.
All right.
How much for the school desk?
25.
25. That's a good price. This is really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Orange County coffee mug.
I know.
That's if you want a whole set, that's a really nice whole set. All right, I picked up something. I got something, yay.
Well, we did really good last weekend, I think. This is just one of those times.
Yeah.
We did find an old trike for Dad, though.
All right, I'm gonna go and turn this off. Hey everyone, I want to thank you for riding along with Kim and I while we went on our garage sale journey. We had a good time. We picked up some items, not as much as I was hoping to get, but we definitely picked up some items we're going to make some money on. I even had to pay up on a few items, but that's okay because that's the resale business. Sometimes you find them for cheap and sometimes you got to pay up a little bit. But all the items that we found we're going to make money on. So if you want to see what we got, you're going to have to wait till tomorrow's haul video. That's when we're going to do the garage sale haul. But as for now, and as always, if you're a subscriber to the channel, we thank you for watching it and welcome back. If you're new to the channel or a first-time viewer, I hope you enjoyed the video and we welcome you to come back. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when all our new videos come out. And to all you resellers out there, remember there's treasures all over the world. Find it, sell it, and profit. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.